Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use motion tracking in Filmora. It's pretty easy, so let's get started. So first, import the video you want to apply motion tracking to. So here is a video that I already imported. Now, simply right click on the video and choose the motion tracking option, or you can simply go to here, this symbol over here. Simply click on this motion tracking option, then the motion tracking panel will open. Now select the object that you want to track. So in this case I want to track this small boat, so select it, select the area. This rectangular area is the selection. Now once you select the object, simply, now you can see the process will be shown here. Simply click on the start tracking option, so it will track the object like so, as you can see, and the process will be shown over here like this. So once it reaches 100%, the process will be completed, the tracking, that is. So this is done now. I will press OK, but the another thing which is remaining, we have to select either an object or text, whatever you want to track it, this object with. So for this example, I'm going to choose the text. So I will extend the text and I will double click to edit the text. So let's say I will write boat itself. You can write whatever you want, and again you can select any object. In this particular example I'm using text, and make sure that there is no animation to the text, otherwise it won't look that good or it won't look proper. So I will reduce the size of this particular, and make sure when you are starting to track the object, make sure that your playhead is at the start of the video, otherwise the portion before that playhead won't be tracked. So make sure that the playhead is at the beginning. So once I have selected, I will reduce the size like so, and I will put it over here like so. Now again I'm going to double click on the option on the video, or you can simply click on the motion tracking option. Now we have to select the text. If you add any object, the object name will appear in this drop down menu. So we have applied text, so the default title is visible, so I will select default title. Now we have to press OK. So once you press OK, then the object is linked to the motion tracking. So when you play, you can see it is now tracking. I will pause this. I will click over here so that the rectangle is not visible. I will start playing. So as you can see, the text is tracking the object that we selected earlier. So this is useful while making documentary like videos. We can track multiple characters or persons or any birds or animals using this simple method in Filmora. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.